this video, we're going to check out more about the Polyend play. Make sure to watch the first episodes so that you know the basics, because we're building on top of the knowledge from previous episodes. So in the last episode, I showed how to work with making a palette so you can start working on compositions faster. So right here I have a muted palette that I just made, and I have a melodic sample, and I added some delay on that. So here we can place some notes here. And what we can do is either memorize what notes are where and construct something from that, or you can kind of throw notes together in any way that you want. I'm pressing a note here and I don't hear it. It's because the palette is muted. So let's unmute, go back to view. So I'm just putting in notes here. Some higher notes too. Okay, so I just chose a whole bunch of different notes here. We can also go in and maybe edit some cutoff on some of these just to give a little bit of variety. You can also just change samples, or you can select multiple ones and then do the same change on all of them. So maybe let's make them repeat. Do fade, 4 hits. So each one of these are going to sound a little crazy. So remember to unselect things, press shift, and it goes away. So I'm just going to mute this. I'm going to pick notes, and I'm just going to place them up here. And let's see what it sounds like. So this note is going to go here. I'm going to switch and do this note here, and this note here, here, and here, etc. Just creating something. Not sure how it's going to sound. Let's press play. Let's make it higher. Let's shift and turn the note. Let's also turn the cutoff down. What I want to do is, let's copy it. Now when we hold down shift right here, I want this to go an extra bar. So we still have this selected, so press shift again and it'll deselect. Now I'm going to reselect just this area, because if I do choose this whole thing, it's going to choose all of it. I just want to paste into here, not to the beginning. So shift, paste. Now I can say change the note, so just press shift again. Now it's all deselected. So I'm going to change the note here. Let's listen to it. So that's the other note I just changed. Let's maybe do that to this note. Maybe turn up the cutoff on some of the notes. Go back over here, shift, pressing some of these. Let's open the cutoff a little. Shift deselects. So now what I want to do is go through the different effects. So hold down shift and press here, master effects. So let's go to delay and let's check out the different ones. Hear that drastic change here. Whoa, piano robot. Let's make it an octave down. Shift, note. Let's go back in the effects. Let's see what else there is. Mono room, stereo room, pipe. So yeah, there's all sorts of different effects. There's also custom, so if I go into there, it says custom, I can go down to custom parameters. We'll go to delay, and now we can change all of this. So turn on or off ping pong, change the feedback, frequency, sync rate. All right, let's change it up, change the notes. So now what I want to do is go into this variation. So it's something I already had here. Now, let's erase these tracks here. Just delete. They're gone. Now deselect. Now let's just listen to this. Let's turn the cutoff down. I want that a little more mellow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is copy this. Now we're going to deselect, choose this track. Now we're going to paste, shift, paste. Now I want to move this, so we're going to choose move and turn it. Maybe turn the cutoff down on this track a little. And then let's bring it up an octave, shift and note. Let's copy that and paste it up here. Let's offset it. Let's bring that an octave up. Let's move it back here. Now what I can do, let's hold down shift. Let's select, let's say that rectangle. Copy it. Now, let's paste it right here. So there it is. So I wanted to bring it down actually, so it'll be right here. So undo. And then let's just deselect, select, paste. So let's press play. Now this is playing at a different rate here. Now let's deselect. Then I want to take this chunk, maybe this. Let's copy. And then I'm just going to select here. And then paste. Let's go here. And listen. Now what I want to do is first off turn the volume down a little. And then what we're going to do is turn the chance down a little. So that's pretty generative right there. You can also do is take a couple of these tracks. Let's change the play mode. Let's delete here. Alright, so now what I want to do is make sure everything is reset. So we're just going to change everything on these tracks to normal. Now, the track length on here is longer. So let's just double press up here. Now reset everything to 16. So we have 3 tracks selected here. I'm going to press fill. So what I want to do is make sure it is on beat. Now, beat will work if there are kick, snare, and hi-hat folders. So you choose beat and then change the genre to anything you want. So let's just go through a couple of these and press fill and then press play. Let's change it again, press fill. So I'm just choosing one pressing it again. Now, if you want to change the samples, just press fill again. So it just switches everything. Let's change it up here. Turn the tempo down here. So track speed, let's bring that down to like 1/2. Let's change this beat. Press fill. Press it again. I like that. Alright, so now what I was doing, I was selecting the track. So if we deselect, now what? If I hold down shift, let's choose here and here. Now we can change the beat. Press fill. And then press it again, it's going to change the drum samples. So let's deselect. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's do here to here, here to here. So now we're going to change all those. We're going to change to a different genre. Press fill. Press it again. Let's make this. Let's resume that to normal track speed. Then I can go right into here and go to sample and just change sample right there. Change the sample. Now I can let's say select all this, copy it. Now what I want to do is go to a different variation. Okay. And now we're just going to paste. I'm going to paste it here. Let's paste it here. Paste here. Paste here. Now I can select here and fill that with something else. Let's just change it up. Let's select here. Let's fill that with a different beat. I can also just start live recording changes here. So I can just select different areas, change the note, and it's going to record all that in. Changing all these and just seeing what happens. Change it up here. Switch patterns. Hear this, what I want to do is let's enable the limiter, track 1. I can hear it in full effect here. got different clipping, saturation, overdrive, plus. Can change the sound. Let's bring that back up to distortion. Whoa. Back to squishy. Let's turn that back up. Turn those down a little. Let's create a beat here. Let's see. Just choose that one. Press it a few times.